Bacolod City Bucket List. Top 15 best things to do in Bacolod City, Philippines. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Canillas TV. Please subscribe this channel and please click the notification bell. Thank you. Now, I'll give you the tourist attractions and best things to do in Bacolod City and nearby cities. Bacolod City, Philippines. This is the capital of the province of Negros Occidental and it is widely known as the City of Smiles because of its warm welcome you will receive when you get to the city. The city is known for its rich local history, a vibrant food culture, and the best tourist attractions that you can visit. Some of the top things to do in Bacolod City are listed below. Top 15 things to do in Bacolod. Learn about the local history and culture from Negros Occidental Museum. One of the top things to do in Bacolod City is to visit the Negros Museum, and the museum is housed in a building that was built during the American colonial era. This is a place to go if you want to learn more about history and how the people of Negros Island lived their lives in the early days. Through the museum's collection of old furniture and furniture from ancestral houses, you will learn about the elegant lifestyle of old families. Visit the ruins in Talisay. Although the Negros Occidentals is not called the Tamahal, but its kind of serves that same purpose as it immortalizes the memory of a loved one. It was located in Batulao Street and it was built in 1911 by Don Mariano Ledesma Lacson in memory of his wife that died of a tragic death. He raised his 10 children till World War II, and the Americans demolished the mansion because they feared the Japanese would occupy it. You can go and see the frame of the house which stands still today. Next, go sightseeing in the provincial capitol grounds. This is the official seat of the provincial government and it served as the headquarters of the Japanese Imperial Army during World War II. You will love the Romanesque architecture of the building, and it also has a nice surrounding park and lagoon that includes the Ang Paghimod-os statues which were made by Eduardo Castrillo. You will also like the interesting sculptures which can be found in the lagoon. Next is visit San Sebastian Cathedral. This is also known as Bacolod Cathedral and it is located along Rizal Street which is across the Bacolod City Public Plaza. Visiting here is one of the things to do in Bacolod City as you can see the Baroque architectural style and it is among the century-old churches in Negros Occidental. The church is also regarded to be the most beautiful church in the province as it is made up of coral stones and lime quarried of Guimaras Island and Palawan wood. Next, let's go and explore the Silay City. You can visit the Silay City, which is part of the Bacolod metropolis area, which is popular for its museums and heritage sites. You will have so much to do here if you want to learn more about the history of Bacolod. This area is dubbed as the seat of arts, ecotourism, and culture in Western Visayas, and this city is among the two museum cities which is widely known as the National Historical Institute which has over 30 heritage houses and museum. You will go back in time when you walk along the street of Silay. Now, go for fun and at Campuestohan Highlands. This is located in Talisay City after you visit to the ruins. There are many adventures rides that you will get your blood pumping hard. This is one of the best things to do in Bacolod City, and the highlight of this tour is the zip line, a rope course, cable hamster, well, a 4-lane sky bicycle track. This tourist attraction is family friendly and you and your kids will love it. Here is the area, or there are a mini train, grand carousel, a lot of open area for playing. Next, explore the Church of the Angry Christ in Victoria City. In this image, you can see inside the Church of the Angry Christ. This is situated inside of the Victoria's Milling Company, and the church is well known for its controversial wall-sized mural with vibrant colors and striking arch strokes which you will like. The painted altar is combined artistry of Spanish-American painter Alfonso Osorio together with Filipino artist Benjamin Valenciano. Go hiking at different waterfalls. If you want to relax and just leave the city behind, the best place is for you in this Mambukal mountain resort is the recreation heaven. There are many fun things that you can try out in this resort like swimming pools, picnic huts, butterfly garden, zip line, bath caves, and others. The highlight of the resort is the 7 waterfall. Hike, and you can hike the 7 different waterfalls, which will be fun for you. Next, watch the sunset at the Capitol Park and Lagoon. This is the center of Bacolod City, and the complex homes Capitol Hall, the Negros Museum, Provincial Library, and some government buildings with a man-made lagoon in the middle. You can come here in the morning for people watching, as you will find the locals here, and this is the best place to relax or join recreation activities in the evening. You will also get to see the scenic sunset while you walk around here. Next, let's go and explore the Lakawon Island. Lakawon Island is located in a 16-hectare banana-shaped island, and you will also love the white sand shores and the clear blue waters. If you want to get away from the hustle and bustle of the city, this is the best place for you to unwind and enjoy the cool nature. The resort is lined up with several amenities and activities that you can try out, which you and your family are going to love. Next, go souvenir shopping. One of the things that you should do before you leave the city is to visit the pasalubong shop, where you will be able to buy souvenir items and delicacies which are truly Negrense that you can take with you to your friends and loved ones, like bonbons, Mercy, and other bakeries here in Bacolod City. You can go to their city showroom. Next, shop for local crafts in the Negros showroom. If you are looking for local crafts to buy and take home with you, then the Negros showroom is the right place to go. The showroom was built by the Association of Negros Producers, which is a group of local producers that are mainly cottage or home-based industries. The local crafts are displayed, and you can pick the ones that catch your fancy. You can also buy clothing and accessories which are handmade from this store. Now, try out local foods at Palapala. Palapala was once a seafood market which is located in downtown Bacolod, and you can buy cheap and fresh seafood. You can then buy seafood and then take them to the eateries so as to have them cooked the way you like, and if the restaurants are then going to charge a small cooking fee based on the ingredients needed for the dish. You can also visit the Palapala without going to the seafood market, where you can just choose the seafood that will cook for you. Now, go dining at Manokan Country. If you are in Bacolod City and you did not try out the famous chicken inasal, then you are missing. You should try to fix this at the Manokan Country. The food complex is in an entire street of the whole in the wall restaurants, where selling various types of grilled foods and also the Bacolod chicken inasal. Bacolod City has many attractions and famous things that you can do, and there are many local cuisines that you can try out in this city. Bacolod travel and tour packages. Do you have other recommended fun and interesting things to do in Bacolod City? Please comment the comment section in this video, and please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell